This is dough on demand with Sveba Dahlen F500 freezer-proofer or retarder-proofer cabinet. The function that makes it possible to serve freshly baked bread all day. You simply grab the dough you need directly from the proofing cabinet as needed and bake it in your oven. The dough stays fresh throughout the day, and you can retrieve dough whenever more is needed. Here's how it works. First, you need to activate the DoD function in the panel's service menu. You can find the PIN code for each user level in the F500 user manual. Then specify the end times for the proofing process and the cabinet's weekly schedule. Go to the baker's page and select Dough on Demand in the menu. Then choose Start to confirm the stop time for proofing. Once the cabinet is ready and have reached the preset temperature, it's time to load dough into the cabinet. The Dough on Demand program immediately begins with its first phase, which is cooling to a preset temperature. Then it will start different proofing processes and the dough will be fully proofed at the specified time. It will then be cooled down to stop further proofing. In this way the dough will be preserved, making it ready for baking all day long. Let's break down how Dough on Demand works. In the graph, we see that the program starts with a rapid cooling phase of 2 hours, which then transitions into a storage phase. The duration of this storage phase is automatically adjusted depending on when the program starts and when the dough should finish proofing. The program continues with 3 time-based phases. The first proofing phase, the second proofing phase, and then a cooling phase. The program ends with a storage phase that automatically starts up, storing the dough during the day and keeping it available for baking at any time. The times and temperatures for the different phases are adjustable, as is the cabinet's humidity level, shown above the graph. As you can see in the picture, no humidity is used during the rapid cooling phase.